Guys, you've got to see this. She is absolutely a darling. She's not scared or anything. She just sits there on my finger. So I'm getting the light to show you. There she is. Hello, darling. Wait. Hey. Who's a beautiful girl? Who's a beautiful girl? You are. Don't be camera shy. There she is. Yeah, aren't you beautiful? I'm gonna keep her. She's so special. Aren't you, darling? You're beautiful. You are a darling. Look how she's just so relaxed. She's like just sat down. She's not like high on her legs. She sat down. She actually had a yawn just now. She's so relaxed on me. You are a beautiful girl. Hi. Hey you. How you doing? How you doing, sweetheart? Aren't you the beautifulest? Hey? Who's a good girl? Who's a beautiful girl? Okay, I'll put her back in there. But you are a darling. Oh look, there we go. Alright, I'm going to have to put her back in because the window's open.